Financial advisors can use IBKR's tax loss harvesting tool to help clients realize the tax benefits of harvesting capital losses. Advisors can preview the potential losses on stocks and ETFs and pre-allocate shares across multiple accounts to fully or partially close out positions and harvest those capital losses. Tax loss harvesting can be a useful part of an overall financial plan and help lower your client's overall tax burden, especially if they are in a higher tax bracket. An advisor can access the IBKR tax loss harvesting tool on the TWS Mosaic Portfolio tab. Right-click on any stock position line and scroll down to Tax Loss Harvest. Read the disclaimer, and when satisfied, they click Accept to bring up the IBKR tax loss harvesting tool. The IBKR tax harvesting tool has several sections. In the upper left-hand corner, next to Allocation, the advisor can choose whether they want to see all the accounts they manage or the accounts in a group they have created. Underneath the Allocation drop-down box, the advisor can filter the position choices by the portfolio segment, choosing only positions of the underlying in either the independent area, a model, or a custom index. Once the advisor has selected the accounts and the positions, they can further filter the projected loss of the tax lots by either dollar amount or percentage. In the upper right-hand corner, the advisor can select whether they want to harvest short-term capital loss, long-term capital loss, or both by selecting any from the drop-down menu. For this example, the advisor will choose short-term. Next, they choose a reference price for the capital gains or losses calculation. The field will automatically populate with the price of the underlying at the time the tax loss harvesting tool is brought up. Next, the advisor may choose to close a percentage of either the losing position or the entire position. For this example, the advisor will sell 5% of this losing position. The advisor can either swap the position for another instrument using the Replace With feature or close out the position for cash. For this example, the advisor will close out for cash, but later in the video we will go over the swap feature as well. When the advisor is ready to sell, they click the blue Apply button. The table below will populate with the quantity of the orders among other important information. There are 11 data columns in the table: account, position, market value, the percent the position is of net liquidation value, quantity of the position, the projected cash quantity of the order which is subject to change subject to prices, the position after the order is filled, the position at a loss, the position percentage at a loss, if there is a wash sale warning which may apply to either the entire order or a portion of the shares. To learn more, hover the mouse over the column for a definition. The projected loss. Prior to submitting the order, the advisor can create a group of the accounts in the trade to use for additional trades by clicking on the Save As button. The advisor can export the table to a CSV file by clicking on Export, or copy the table to a clipboard to paste in another area by clicking the Copy button. The advisor can close the table by clicking Cancel. When the advisor is ready to create the orders, they click the red Create TLH Orders, and the order will populate in the Orders tab of the Activity panel. Once the order is in the Activity panel, the advisor can adjust the order type, time in force, and price. When ready, they click Transmit to send the order. As mentioned earlier in the video, an advisor can either close the position or swap it for another stock. Going back to the previous example, instead of selling 5% of the losing position for cash, the advisor will swap it. To swap the stock, the advisor clicks the white box next to Replace With, and then can either click the Find Replacement box to bring up a scanner pre-populated with similar companies, or the advisor can type a symbol into the white box. When ready, they click the Create TLH Orders in the lower right-hand corner, and the orders will populate in the Orders tab on the Activity panel. The advisor can adjust the order and when ready, click Transmit on either line to send the orders. The advisor portal allows you to create custom statements to verify the lot allocation. Once the custom report has been created and saved, it can be run on the next business day after trades are made to confirm the lot allocation. To create a custom activity statement log in your advisor portal, click the menu icon in the upper left-hand corner and expand the reporting area by clicking on the plus sign. Next, the advisor clicks Statements and clicks the plus sign next to Custom Statements and names the report. Let's call this one Tax Lots. Select Activity for statement type in the Sections area. Click Trades. In the Section Configurations area next to Profit and Loss, select MTM and Realized P&L in the drop-down box. Ensure that the toggle next to Hide Details for Positions, Trades and Client Fees section is set to No. Next, set the delivery configuration including the period and when ready click Continue and the advisor will be able to review their settings. Once reviewed, click the blue Create button in the bottom right-hand corner. A message will confirm the custom statement has been saved. Click OK. Now the advisor can run the report anytime for any or all of their accounts. The output will show the list of trades. The advisor can click the plus sign next to a trade to expand, and they will see the closed lot details. Losses will be shown in red, and gains will be shown in green. On the far right column under Code, it will show either ST for short term or LT for long term. IBKR's tax loss harvesting tool is an extremely useful tool for advisors who want to utilize tax harvesting for their clients. With this tool, the advisor can easily preview stock capital losses and pre-allocate a trade to multiple clients at once.